Hey guys, subscribe to my channel and please click the bell icon to be notified for every update of Visionpedia. Here I got some new parrots. Actually, it's mountain parrots. I don't know what's its name or its breed, but one of my friends have this. He took them for sale, so I uploaded a video for them also. There are three parrots. If you want to buy them, just contact. I'll link. I'll give the link in description.
Blessings, blessings. I've been moving calm, no sign of trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful, it's a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you're loving on me, yeah. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that'll live me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, yeah. I finesse on Western Road, yes. Might go down on G.O.D. I go hard and such a G, yeah, wait. I make sure the noise I leak. And still bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey, hey. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I